Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a really special video to share with you guys, and that's going to be my review for the Caraway cook set. Now, this is a sponsored post. Caraway Home sent me this cookware sometime in December, and I really wanted to use it for a while so that I can give you like an in-depth review from my personal experience. I'm also going to share with you my link so you can get a discount off when you order. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So first, I'm going to do a quick unboxing video. I already shared this video on my Instagram page sometime in December, but I'm going to do a quick recap here. Plus, I'm also going to show you what my cookwares look like now after 4 months of usage versus when I just got them. Now, I got this in the color marigold, and my first impression when I saw the cookware was obviously how beautiful they looked. But aside from beauty, the main thing that attracted me to this brand is the fact that the cookwares are ceramic coated, which is 100% non-toxic. So even when overheated, will not release harmful chemicals into your food versus many traditional non-stick pots. You will get the frying pan, the Dutch oven, the saucepan, great for small quantities of soup, stews, mashed potatoes, and so on. You would also get the saute pan, great for stir frying and pan frying. It also comes with 2 trivets that you can place the hot pans on to protect your countertops from direct heat. You would also find the care instruction in the box on how to best take care of your pots and pans. You also find the lids as well as the lid holder, which I think is really thoughtful. You can hang the lid holder inside the cabinet, behind a door, or on the wall. The lid holder comes with 2 hooks, which is very easy to assemble. I'll show you how I place them in a few minutes. And lastly, it comes with 4 pan racks, one for each of the pans, so don't forget to take this out before discarding the box. The pan racks are magnetic, and you use this to store the pans. You can also use this as like a drying station for the pans on your countertops. I store my cookware in the kitchen cabinets. The magnetic pan racks are great in such a way that you can arrange them in different ways and just store the pans however you like. Peel off the stickers at the back of the included hooks, and you can just place this wherever you decide to hang the lid holders. Like I said, it's super easy to assemble. It should take just about 1 minute or even a few seconds. Hang the lid holder, then you can go ahead and put the lids on each of the belts like this. Alternatively, you can choose to store them on your countertop just like this. If you follow my YouTube channel, you will notice this is the pots I've used in almost all my recent YouTube videos. This is my go-to pot for almost everything. I made it a goal this year to eat healthier, and I would say the pot has really helped me achieve most of my goals because I don't have to, when I'm cooking or even frying, I don't have to add too much oil or butter because food just glides off the surface. Because of this, cleaning is such a breeze. I'm someone who spend a lot of time in the kitchen, and I would say that doing the dishes is not one of my favorite chore. So this has really helped me save time because I am not scrubbing anything because nothing really sticks to the surface. So cleaning is a lot easier. Like I earlier promised, I'm going to show you what my cookwares look like now versus when I just got them. Bear in mind, I've used this for a little over 4 months now, and not just used, I've used them constantly almost every day. So this is the saucepan. This, alongside the frying pan, I would say is the most used of the set. As you can see, it's still in great condition. I haven't done any kind of heavy scrubbing or washing because I usually wash and store them after every use, so I think that has been really helpful. As a matter of fact, I'm so obsessed with my Caraway cookwares, and I just recently added the white to my collection because if you know me, you know I really love white everything, and just look how pretty they look. If you've been considering whether or not to get this brand, I think it's totally worth it, and I think it's something you're going to enjoy in the long run. If you do decide to get it, I have a special discount code in the description box, so please check that out. Plus, I would love to see the color you opted for, so please send me a DM or tag me to your photos or videos. You can send me a DM on Instagram. The page is Kiki Foodies. That's KIKIFOODIES. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you found the video informative. And thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my YouTube channel. We are on our way to 300k, yay. And if you haven't subscribed, please take out time to subscribe to my YouTube channel today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.